Look! I can see daylight! We're gonna be okay!
Hey!
It's daylight.
You were saved from
What are you waiting for?
Push it! Push it! Push it!
Stay close.
Where's your kid now, Sheriff? We're gonna make it! Ready, done.
Can't be happening! Mom! What do we do?
Been ratted out, boys.
Victory.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
Stuff I said about Andy's attic, I take it all back.
You darn tootin'. You said it.
Oh, darling, you were so brave. You saved our lives.
And we are eternally grateful. My boys.
Hey, where's that Furbalazzo?
Yeah, I left to loosen his stitches.
Forget it, guys. He's not worth it.
Hey,
What you got?
I had me one of these when I was a kid. Strawberries.
Hey, buddy, you might want to keep your mouth shut.
Come on, Woody. We gotta get you home.
That's right, college boy.
Wait. What about you guys? I mean, maybe the attic's not such a great idea.
We're Andy's toys, Woody.
We'll be there for him. Together.
I just hope he hasn't left yet.
Wait a minute! Wait, I'll check! Andy's still packing! But he's almost done!
He lives halfway across town.
We'll never get there in time.